to the welcome address. I have the honor of inviting Dr. Hiten Choudhury, Department of Computer Science and IT, Govt University, to deliver the welcome address. Sir.
Very good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Govt University, Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka, respected Director, National E-Governance Division, Sri Sunil Jain, respected Registrar of Govt University, Dr. Hiten Deka, respected Senior Manager, NeGD, Sri Shiven Shankar, respected Director, Capacity Building Center of Govt University and the Head of the Department of Statistics, Dr. Ruma Talukdar, respected Head of the Department of Computer Science and IT, Manas Pratim Datta. We have some deans, various deans of the university also seated here today, and Head of the departments, faculty members, students. It is a great honor for me to have got this opportunity to welcome all of you to this Digital India Talk cum Awareness Program organized by the Capacity Building Center and the Department of Computer Science and IT of Govt University in association with National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome, a special welcome to the esteemed team from National E-Governance Division, including the Director, Sri Sunil Jain, and distinguished experts, Ms. Somavo Majumdar, Mr. Shipra Saxena, Ms. Divya Anand, and Mr. Kamal Kumar, and who have all flown all the way from Delhi to be here with us to share their experience and expertise with us today. In fact, Director Sir, he himself traveled today morning. He just reached at 9:30 and rushed to the university. And I would like to thank the entire team of NeGD for choosing Cotton University for this program. And the moment actually we got to know from the IT department of the Government of Assam that such a visit is possible, we immediately tried to grab the opportunity. We said yes immediately because we wanted to have them. And I would also thank you for choosing this university. And I'm sure, I would like to let you know that you have chosen the best university in the Northeast. This is Guwahati 1. The pin number 781001 is our pin number. All the range of pin numbers starts from here. This is the most central location, and this is the oldest institution of higher education in the entire Northeast. The idea of Guwahati University, IIT Guwahati, IIIT, many institutions came out from here. Alumni from here actually initiated that idea, sir. So I would also like to say that we have participants from neighboring institutions, Hendick Girls College. We have few participations from there. And we have got participations from Bibarwa College as well. And we actually would have got a larger audience, but all our students are having exams right now, except few of them, few batches, and they are from there. And talking about this event today, we all know over the past decade or so, the world has gone through a tremendous transformation in the digital front, in the digital space. And India is also not behind. In fact, India has contributed a lot over the last 1 decade or so with our tech-savvy community of engineers and researchers. India has contributed a lot to this extraordinary transformation that we all are witnessing. And I think Government of India also wants this transformation, this digital advantage that all of us are witnessing to go to each and every citizen of the country. Everyone should be able to reap the advantage of this particular transformation, technological advantage that we are going through. And that's why organizations like National E-Governance, NeGD, is playing a pivotal role in translating this vision into reality. There are platforms like DigiLocker, for which NeGD is known for. All of you know that in DigiLocker we can safely keep our documents and access our documents at a later time. And there are platforms like Umang, through which a lot of government portals can be accessed from the same platform. And we have platforms like API Setu that enables government applications and softwares to talk with each other, application programmers interface. So these are some of the applications and technologies that NeGD is known for. So we are actually fortunate today to have experts from NeGD who themselves are involved in some of these revolutionary initiatives taken by Government of India. So I hope that it will be a meaningful session for all the students. Immediately after the inaugural session, we will have a technical session where the experts themselves will focus and highlight and explain us about the different initiatives, how they work, what are the technologies that are there in the background. So I believe it will be a meaningful session. I encourage all the students, participants to interact as freely as possible, ask as many questions as possible, clarify your doubt. And I hope that looking at your active participation, NeGD team will come to us again in the future, and when we will have more students. At present, as I already said, we are having exams, so that's why the crowd is a little less. But these kind of initiatives we always look forward to, and this will definitely help our institution as well. And so I would like to tell you that even though the number looks a little lesser today, but our representation from the student communities from all across Assam, and through the students and through their parents and their ones, your message that you wish to deliver today will reach a larger audience throughout the Northeast. Thank you so much. I welcome all of you once again.